Pneu-Con, an unmatched leader in pneumatic conveying solutions, is a trusted partner of coffee roasters of all sizes. Pneu-Con's smart engineered, off-the-shelf coffee whisper loader kit with SOF technology makes it simple to transport green coffee beans to the roaster and roasted beans to a bag filler or grinder. All Pneu-Con whisper loaders incorporate proprietary spiral open flow, or SOF technology. A specially designed box inlet guides coffee beans in a set vector tangential to the loader wall. This soft glide pattern ensures gentle accumulation until the cycle is complete, eliminating damage to the product. Each whisper loader is a standalone vacuum conveying system constructed of spun and welded aluminum or stainless steel in a take-apart design for easy cleaning and maintenance. Each uses programmable logic controls and a variable speed potentiometer to modulate material flow. All panels are housed in a NEMA 1 enclosure, a weight-actuated dump valve flapper assembly, proximity sensor, easily replaceable flat disc PTFE-coated polyester felt filter that includes quick connect plugs, no wiring required. Optimize this system for coffee roasting operations. Pneu-Con whisper loaders are made in the U.S. and ship in less than 3 days. Supercharge your operation and your bottom line with Pneu-Con, your trusted partner.